How to cancel Zelle payment. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to cancel your Zelle payment. In order to cancel your Zelle payment, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and along with that make sure that you have completely updated your application. Now, canceling a Zelle payment is possible, but not in every cases. You can only cancel it if the recipient hasn't enrolled with the Zelle yet, and if you're unsure whether the person has enabled, you can check within your bank's app or website. So for that case, you need to open up your bank's app or go to the website and log in into your account. And when you're logged in, you need to go to activity tab. So when you're on the activity tab, if the person hasn't enrolled with Zelle yet, you'll see this option as stop the payment. You can go ahead and tap on it and your payment is cancelled. If the person has enrolled, you won't be able to see these options. If your payment is for a future date, you can cancel it anytime by tapping the cancel button. And that's how you can cancel your payment on Zelle. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.